Land navigation is a hobby of mine, so I get out on a sunny day and I just play around with this different ways of plotting my location onto a map. The most effective way of doing that doesn't require GPS or anything, and you can do it in the field. You do not need electronics. What you do need is a accurate watch. I use a Casio Oceanus, which is accurate within a second every day. It captures a radio signal about 3 times a day, so it's quite accurate. And then you need a instrument of some type to capture the angles of the sun. And so here I have a instructional instrument. I do not carry this into the field. I have a Brunton Geo Compass that I use for that. It has a inclometer on it. It also has a bubble level, and both of those things are mandatory in order to document the correct angle of the sun. But essentially what you're doing is you're capturing the angle of the sun to find your latitude and your longitude. You can also find true north, and from true north you can determine what magnetic north is by comparing that with a compass. So it's got several good uses. There are 2 static charts that you need to have. One is a solar noontime table, and the variation over a decade is only a couple of seconds. So it's a static chart, something like this. And all it does is it's got the hour, nearest minute, and then it's got day of the year. And from there you can calculate solar noontime when you need to set up. Now, you're not going to know what your local noontime is going to be, so you have to set up early or set up late. And then you have your other chart, and that is solar declination, and that's going to help you get latitude. So very useful, something fun to do if you're into navigation. This is a Cold War sailor out.